Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Not a cloud in the sky across southern Oregon and northern California. The heat is on, though, for inland areas, but for the coast, Brookings, pretty bustling out there on this Friday. Folks enjoying the much more comfortable temperatures that we're seeing for coastal communities compared to what's inland. 79 right now in Brookings, but look at the heat. We are baking in the Rogue Valley. Temperatures in the triple digits, 108 in Grants Pass. We're up to 109 degrees in Eagle Point and 102 in Ashland. Down in Siskiyou County, temperatures up around 100 in Yreka. For Jones, it's 96 in Mount Shasta, 114 degrees in Soames Bar, and on the east side we are well up into the 90s. 97 in Bly, it's 95 in Lakeview, and 95 degrees in Klamath Falls. Now, taking a look at the records so far today, we have smashed the record for Medford up to 109, also breaking the record today in Montague, but coming up just a bit shy for Klamath Falls and Mount Shasta. Take a look at the satellite and radar imagery. We have clear conditions across southern Oregon and northern California. Pretty smoky and also some poor air quality last night due to the fireworks, but things have cleaned up very quickly out there today for the most part. Good air quality for much of southern Oregon and northern California. Notice these breezes picking up here late in the day. This is going to be the trend through the weekend, and the big concern as well is the very low humidity, down to 4% in Medford, 5% in Montague. It's very dry air, so between the heat, these dry conditions, and also those breezes picking up, fires can spread very quickly. We do have a red flag warning in place, much of Jackson, Josephine County, Cascades, and Siskiyous until 8 o'clock tonight, but that concern is going to grow for tomorrow on our Saturday. Tonight, winds will diminish across the region. We'll get down to 66 in Medford, 53 in Klamath Falls. A very mild and clear night ahead. And then tomorrow, if you're wanting to do a hike early in the day, because things are going to really heat up pretty quick, mid-90s by the noon hour, and temperatures will be really soaring into the triple digits tomorrow afternoon. That UV index is going to be very high. Excessive heat warnings remain in place and have been extended until 9 p.m. on Tuesday for our west side valleys, and then for the east side, where we have that heat advisory, that goes until 9 o'clock on your Monday, including the Klamath Basin. Tomorrow, even hotter temperatures, up to 102 in Klamath Falls, 110 in Yreka, and up to 113 degrees in Medford. More record highs likely going to fall tomorrow. Not, again, going to be as hot for the coast, up to 82 in Brookings. Here's a look at that red flag warning, much more expansive across southern Oregon and western portions of Siskiyou County, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. on our Saturday. Fires will be able to spread very quickly because of the heat, the very low humidity, and the winds picking up. Notice as we go through the afternoon, those northwest winds pick up. Some gusts up over 20 miles per hour or so in our west side valleys, but could get some gusts into Lake County up over 25 miles per hour. And we'll see some more fairly breezy conditions like that on Sunday. So there's a fire weather watch already in place for Sunday. That's from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Sunday. So if you're going to be heading up to the Cascades, maybe doing some camping through the holiday weekend, that will definitely be a concern up there. Those critical fire weather conditions, some hot afternoon temperatures, even up in the mountains. And then look at the record-breaking heat that we're going to be seeing in Medford, likely through Tuesday, breaking record highs with those temperatures well up into the triple digits. The coast will be the place to be, though, to beat the heat. Some pretty pleasant temperatures overall with highs in the 70s and at times up above 80. Northern California, very hot stretch of weather. Lots of sunshine expected as we go through the weekend into next week. The Klamath Basin also looking at temperatures up around the century mark through the weekend into early next week. The mountains, it's going to be hot and dry. Critical fire weather concerns right through the weekend, and then in the Rogue Valley, we'll continue to see these oppressive temperatures, and it stays even up around 100 degrees by later next week. It cools a little bit, but those temperatures still well above average. So this is definitely a long duration heat wave that we'll be contending with.
Oh, sure am jealous of those people in the coast.
Yeah, it feels nice.
All right,
yeah.
Thanks, Matt.